Don't you think we're done?
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Kittery Police Department. Many confirmed reports came in about a strange individual wearing a witch hat was seen walking through the streets of Kittery. This individual was seen creating some type of bottle liquid that can cause the victim to act abnormally. No information about this individual are confirmed at this time. If you see this individual, do not approach it. Stay tuned for more information and updates.
Don't you think we're done?
This is NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards, with a frequency of 162.550 MHz. Today's temperature will be at around 40 degrees Fahrenheit this night. It will be partly cloudy this evening and it will be mostly clear starting around midnight until sunrise.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Massachusetts State Police. The individual that was seen in Kittery, Maine, has been spotted in the streets of Amesbury, Massachusetts. An update on this individual was now confirmed. It is now believed that this individual wearing a witch hat is confirmed to be the witch. This witch is standing around 6 feet tall, unknown age, unknown weight, brown hair, a white female, green eyes, wearing a black witch dress, black shoes, and it is wearing a witch hat. This individual is dangerous as she is creating potions which is harmful. In addition, she uses a magic spell to generate explosions across the area. All residents are strongly advised to seek shelter and remain indoors immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.